had a quite few things to get done today, and I know I wasn't going to be productive sitting in my room. So today for me it's well like मेरे से सुबह से पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही थी, and honestly in my room my productivity was like literally zero, and I'm not able to focus on anything. I'm not able to get my done work. It's like I don't know what happened to me today, but I'm not able to do anything. Then I decided to let's get ready and go to some cafe to have some like focus session of study or the work I want to do. So maybe I can do in cafe. Then I get ready for my going to cafe and packed everything in my bag also, like laptop, tab, book, headphones and all everything. Then I headed to the cafe. Then I reached the cafe, and cafe पहुंचते ही I was like, okay, now I can study and I have like very peaceful environment because everyone around me were like also very focused on their own work. They're not gossiping and everything like. So I also did very good and focused session there for 4 hours. And also मैंने सुबह से कुछ खाया भी नहीं था, तो I ordered some food, ate properly, and then again get back to the study. Because after that I realized मेरे को लैब में बहुत काम है, तो मुझे जल्दी से अभी अपना सेशन फिनिश करके लैब में भी जाना है so that I can do my work in lab also. So basically I did study for half an hour again, and after half an hour I packed everything and go back to the lab and finished my all work in the lab also. So आज का दिन basically रूम में productive नहीं था, but लेकिन after going to cafe it was quite productive and changing surrounding. It's really helped me actually to have some focus session and get my work complete on the right time. I can say that it helped me a lot. Okay guys, bye. See you next video or my vlog. Okay, bye. See you. So this is my